Now we will discuss about the pathogenesis of multiple sclerosis. The multiple sclerosis is autoimmune disease. It is autoimmune disease. It is the disease of the immune system in which the autoantibodies are formed against the myelin sheet of neuron. Myelin sheet of neuron, and there is demyelination of neuron occur. There is the demyelination of neuron occur. This demyelination of the neuron occur and the neuron become demyelinating. It affects also the axon. There is partial or total axonal injury. There is also axonal injury. Now we will discuss the normal myelin sheet of the neuron and the abnormal structure in multiple sclerosis. This is the myelin sheet. This is the myelin sheet. Myelin sheet. This is the myelin sheet of the normal neuron, and the impulses propagation and spreading occur at the node of Ranvier. The impulses propagation occur at the node of Ranvier. This is the node of Ranvier. In the normal myelin sheet, there is sodium channel present at the myelin sheet. Sodium channel at the myelin sheet, and at this axon sodium channel also present, and the propagation of impulses occur between the node of Ranvier. This is the normal process of the propagation of impulses in the neuron. So what will occur in the demyelinating neuron? In the demyelination, the myelin sheets become degenerating, and this is the axon. This is the node of Ranvier. This is the axon. This myelin sheets, there is a myelin sheet. There is the myelin sheet. This myelin sheets degenerate. This degenerate. This is not present. This myelin sheets degenerate. There is a myelin sheet in this area. So in the demyelinating disease like multiple sclerosis, this myelin sheets degenerate. This myelin sheets degenerate. There is myelin sheets that degenerate, and the axonal injury may occur at some cases. There may be partial or complete axonal injury may also occur. There is axonal injury occur and demyelination occur. Demyelination occur in the multiple sclerosis. In case of multiple sclerosis, in the multiple sclerosis, the sodium channels are open to this area. Sodium channels are present at this area, and sodium channels are also present at the axon. They are also present at the axon. This is the abnormal. In normal person, they are not present at this side, and there is the axonal injury also occur. So there is the fast propagation of electric impulses. The fastest propagation of electric impulses occur. Fastest propagation of electric impulses, because the sodium channel also open at the myelin sites. The myelin degenerate, but present at the myelin sites and also present at the axonal sites, and the node of Ranvier become like this. There is sodium channels open at all sides. Sodium channels opens at all sides. There is the fastest propagation of electric impulses. The conduction velocity in the demyelinating neurons occur at 70 milli per second. 70 meter per second. So this is the conduction velocity. That is the fastest propagation of electrical impulses at the demyelinating neuron in multiple sclerosis. There is 70 meter per second velocity. Normal is 1 meter per second. The normal myelinating neuron, there is 1 meter per second velocity, and in the demyelinating neuron there is the fastest conduction velocity, that is 70 meter per second. This continuous propagation in the unmyelinating neurons due to sodium channels are open. Sodium channels are open, and there is the fastest conduction of electrical impulses. The sodium channels are open. The conduction block can occur when the nerve impulse is unable to transverse the demyelinating segments. The conduction block can also occur. There is a conduction block. The conduction block can also occur when the demyelinating neuron is unable to transverse the demyelinating segment. A temporary conduction block occurs often when a demyelinating event before the sodium channels signally concentrated at the node of Ranvier. When there is a node of Ranvier, when the sodium channels are concentrated, the sodium channels are open. When they are concentrated at this node of Ranvier, sodium channels are concentrated, so the conduction block can also occur at the node of Ranvier, and this redistribute the electrical impulses. They redistribute redistribute the electrical impulses to both sides. They redistribute this electrical impulses because of the sodium channel are activated, because there is demyelination. When there is demyelination, sodium channels are activated at the node of Rayner also, at the axon also, and at the node of Rayner also, and at the regions of the demyelinating neuron region also. They are activated, and there is the fastest propagation of electrical impulses of 70 meter per second. The normal propagation of velocity is 1 meter per second. Why this demyelination occur? The demyelination occurs because the autoantibodies act on this the myelinating neuron, and the demyelination occur. There is the inflammatory cytokines also become activated. That is T cell lymphocytes, B cell lymphocytes, macrophages, T cell lymphocytes, B cell lymphocytes, macrophages becomes activated. In this, the inflammatory reaction, they infiltrate the blood-brain barrier. When the blood-brain barrier are infiltrated and they enter into this region, and they may be present at the specific sites or all sites of the myelinating neuron. So they spread into the myelinating neurons, all the myelinating neuron of CNS. So their CNS infection also occur. The inflammation and infection is always present when the active demyelination or axonal injury occur. When the axonal injury occur and demyelination occur, so this infection is present. There is presence of T cells, lymphocytes, B cell lymphocytes, macrophages. The pro-inflammatory autoimmune response directed against the component of CNS myelin. When there is immune responses, they also directed against the myelin sheet of the CNS, myelin sheets of the CNS neuron. This is the mechanism of multiple sclerosis, and the blood-brain barrier infiltrates. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the diagnosis of multiple sclerosis.